Hi there, my name is Celine Dar, and I'm the president of Warm Up BG. Warm Up Bowling Green is a fantastic way to meet other knitters and crocheters, make friends outside of your major, and give back to the community while also having a chance to de stress.
My name is Carolyn Judge, and I am the secretary of Warm Up BG. Currently, I'm working on a baby blanket for somebody. Um, if you're interested in joining our organization, feel free to contact me at cmjudge@bgsu.edu, and then we can go ahead and get you started. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, my name is Rebecca, and I'm the Vice President of Warm Up PG. And what I love about this organization is that I can relax and do something that I really enjoy while serving the community.
Hello, everybody. My name is Fiona Warner, and I am Warm Up BG's social media chair. I really like Warm Up BG because it's a really nice environment for me to just go and knit without having to worry about anything for a little while. Right now, I'm just making this little blanket right here. And if you guys want more information, you can find our Instagram, warmupbgsu, or email us at warmupbgsu@gmail.com. Thank you.